In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen or share a video with audio in Zoom. Let's start from inside a Zoom meeting. You can do this in a meeting you've scheduled or in an instant meeting you've just started. Once you're in the meeting window, look along the bottom toolbar for the green button that says Share Screen. This is the main control you'll use anytime you want to show your screen or play a video to others. Click that green Share Screen button. A new window will pop up showing several options. At the top, you'll usually see tabs like Basic, Advanced, and sometimes Files. For most situations, you'll stay on the Basic tab. Here you'll see thumbnails for your entire desktop, along with any individual windows or applications you currently have open, like a browser, PowerPoint, or a media player. If you want to show everything on your screen, including when you switch between apps, choose your entire desktop. If you only want participants to see one specific window, like a browser tab or a video player, select just that window. Choosing a single window can help you avoid accidentally showing notifications or unrelated content. Now, this next part is crucial if you're sharing a video or anything with sound. Look toward the bottom of that same share screen window. You'll see a small checkbox that says Share Sound or Share Computer Sound, depending on your Zoom version. Make sure you tick that box before you click Share. This tells Zoom to send the audio from your computer to everyone in the meeting, so they hear the video or music clearly instead of through your microphone. If you're sharing a video that includes motion, like a YouTube clip or a movie file, also look for an option that says something like Optimize for Video Clip. Turn this on. It helps smooth out the playback so your viewers see less lag and better quality. Once you've selected your screen or window, checked Share Sound, and, if needed, enabled optimization for video, click the blue Share button. Your participants will now see exactly what you chose to share, and they'll hear the audio directly from your device. While you're sharing, you'll notice a small toolbar, usually at the top of your screen. When you're finished, simply click Stop Share on that bar to return to the regular Zoom meeting view. That's all you need to share your screen or play a video with audio in Zoom. With these settings in place, your meetings, classes, and presentations will sound and look much more professional and clear.